Hello everybody, this is Rishikesh and the topic is face mask detection. Firstly, for any machine learning model, we have three major steps. That is pre-processing the data, creating my model and training it with the data required and testing the model. And firstly, we are going to see about the pre-processing the data. In pre-processing the data, where I have taken the data from a folder called mask in which it has a two entropy, two subfolders. One is mask and no mask. So it is a binary classifier. And next I have taken the addresses like the paths of the data at last masked or unmasked. I have extracted the labels from the images and I have converted into a grayscale image, and later I have processed them into an array and resized the array according to the requirement. That is, I have converted it into the scale of 255, and I have created a numpy array file. And after saving that numpy array file, I have started creating my machine learning model using TensorFlow, in which I have firstly loaded my numpy file and my target numpy file, and I have created a sequential model that consists of convolution layers and using con2d and an activation function of late. And finally, since it's a binary classifier, that we have only two tasks to say whether there is a mask surface or no mask. So I have used the softmax activation function, which is an efficient for binary classification. Later, I have compiled my model, and the optimizer I used is the Adam, and the loss function I have used is binary cross entropy. According to the wish, we can choose, we are free to choose the optimizer and loss function, but here the situation I felt binary cross entropy is good for my model. So later I have splitted the model into test set, training set, and validation sets, and I have saved my model. Now I have trained my model by passing my trained data and number of epochs and the validation split. And finally, I have run my model for 20 epochs, and each epoch have 23 steps. And the last phase, last but not least, the most important part of a machine learning algorithm is to test the model whether it's working. Here for testing, for face marks detection, I have created a model as shown before. As and when we want to detect a mask that is having a face, first we need to detect our face in a image or in a video or anything in a live. So I have used Hascat frontal face algorithm, which is a predefined algorithm for detecting faces, and I have imported that algorithm into my file, my model, and I have given the label, and I have given the access to webcam and the label, the escape key in order to close this cam. Okay, now we can see how we can run this file. Run. You can see that I am not wearing a mask now with mask. Okay, that's it.